Right, hello. As promised, here's a quick taste test of different Snowball recipes. I've been down the off licence. The off licences are cheaper in Holland than they are in London, so I was able to get all of these drinks for less than £20. So I'm going to use them to make 3 different recipes that I found online and just tell you which one the best one is. So first up is classic Snowball. This is from BBC Good Food. Simply 1 part Advocaat and 1 part lemonade. Now the Advocaat, or interestingly, this is a zwart kip, means black chicken. When I bought it home, put it straight in the fridge. When it came out, it was thicker than tomato ketchup. I had to put it in the microwave in order to even pour it. It's still very thick, look at that. I don't know whether they're all that thick. Anyway, right, so 1 part Advocaat. Lovely. I mean, I suppose you probably have this on crumble or something. It's very similar to custard. And equal parts lemonade. Oh, and the recipes mostly ask for a dash of lime. I just got the lemonade with lime in it. All about saving time and money when you're a busy man like me. Right, there we go. Give that a stir. Well, it's looking lovely. Just as cloudy as I like all my drinks. Right, let's taste that one. Tell you what, that's delicious. Tastes like fizzy custard. Right, next one is this one. So this is one from the Good to Know website, which includes cognac. So I've got this lovely cognac. It's a £5, Marquis, must be really good quality stuff, the stuff that rappers drink. So next one up. More Advocaat. Tell a good drink when you need to use a spoon to get it, decant it, don't you? Ooh. Right, there you go. Cognac, not very much. Don't want to overpower it. More lemonade. There we go. Maybe I should have been a professional cocktail maker. I probably would have drunk all my products. Right. Chin chin. That's nicer. Takes the edge off the sweetness a bit. Prefer that. Very nice. Right, third one. Now this one actually technically isn't a Snowball, but it's got many of the same ingredients, so I included it. It's actually called a sherry flip. And you never guess what the special ingredient is, will you? Yep, sherry, £5. Lostness cream, lovely. Yeah, more Advocaat. I'll have to buy some more tomorrow at this rate. Sherry, same amount as the brandy. Oh, smells like Christmas. Lemonade. In it goes. Give it a stir. I'll tell you what, it's not coagulating as much as I thought it would. If you ever put like lemonade in Bailey's, it goes absolutely bonkers. But this seems to mix quite well. Right, let's try that one. Oh no. Oh, that's the worst of them. No. Tastes like muddy water with sherry in it. Oh, there you go. So I would say for the kids, maybe this one, with just plain Snowball. And then for the grown-ups, the one with cognac in. That's my advice. All right, cheerio.